Beanie. You're gonna, hi, Beanie loves his toys. Sweetie, you gonna preen your penguin? And you do like your bunny rabbit. Yeah. You wanna preen the penguin? See? You preen it for the camera. I hope I can get this for the camera. Beanie loves to preen this penguin. Silly birdie. Gonna preen the penguin? Yeah? Oh, and you like the giraffe, too, don't you? Yes, he does. You gonna preen penguin? Here, gonna preen the penguin? Oh, he's just mostly interested in the bunny rabbit right now. Yeah. He likes this. This is Beanie's bunny rabbit. Yeah. Right? That's your bunny rabbit. What are you going to look at now? What toy do you want to look at? Which toy? Oh, you want to preen and... Well, he loves fringe. Do you want to preen the kitty? And he loves this, don't you, sweetie? See how he... Oh, the camera's scaring him. He loves this material and this fringe, right? Yeah? Yeah, he likes the blanket, don't you, sweetie? And here's baby. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetie pie. Beanie. I'm gonna preen some more toys. You wanna preen some more of your toys? Which one? Bunny? You're gonna preen Bunny? Yeah? And Penguin? Oh, look, he loves Penguin. And then he's gonna get on the bear. No, don't chew the wall. That's why this is here. That's why this is... Whoops. Oh, sorry. That's why Mommy hung that there, okay? Silly. No.